Oh no, that dress you got is simply too tight in the elastic waists. Whatever will you do? I know! Fix it with my no-sew tutorial!
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.
For this crazy quick and super simple upsizing project, all you need is a dress that has a too tight elastic or shirred waist area, plus your trusty seam ripper. This is a super simple upsizing project, truly. All you have to do is remove these elastics. And I mean, if you only have one elastic, it's even simpler. So what I usually do is pop on my favorite series or a movie and have that playing in the background while I very, very, very carefully remove each of the stitches holding the elastics on.
Subscribe to my mom's channel, follow her on social media, and buy her ebooks. Yay! Thank you!
If you find that the sleeves are a little bit tight around the armholes, and if your dress has a double seam like this one, all you have to do is carefully remove that interior seam and you will gain about a centimeter, maybe a bit more of extra space by those armholes. Once you have all of the elastic removed, go ahead and give that waist area a nice press or steam with your iron or steamer to get rid of all of the wrinkles, and your dress is ready for action. It so amazes me that by simply removing that elastic waist, I have gained a minimum of a size, probably 2 sizes in this dress, plus taking out that little secondary seam in the sleeves really gave me a lot more freedom of movement too. And if I want to have a more fitted look for my dress, all I have to do is add a fab retro wide belt. Pre-loved, of course. For loads more tips, tricks, and rockin' refashionista tutorials, as well as tons of upsizing tips and tricks and toots, head on over to my Confessions of a Refashionista site, as well as follow me across social media, and share your fave tutorials and tips with your online circles, and let's get everyone living a more sustainable, eco-friendly, pre-loved lifestyle. And as always, until next time, I'll catch ya on the zigzag.